Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I got a phone call from Elive early this morning. So Duncan and I, we got together and we wrote this song. I hope you like it. Well, I woke up this morning and I went outside. And after I did, I went back in and cried. What I'd seen out there brought a tear to my eye. And all of my thoughts went yellow and dry. My God, it was dry. So now we're asking you all to gather with me and raise some money for our farmer friends now. Let's raise some money while we wait for the rain, rain, rain. Do is just help pay for hay. I mean, why is it dry when we cry so many tears? Our fears are growing faster than our grass while we sit around and we wait for the rain, rain, rain. Come mothers, come daughters, come fathers, come sons, come stepmothers, come stepdaughters, come stepfathers, come stepsons, come parents-in-laws and cousins and friends of friends, and see what I see in the sweltering sun. The land is our friend, it keeps us alive, but without the rain, how will it survive? So let's gather now and open up our hearts, open up your wallets while I sing the next part. I want you all to sing with me now. We're waiting. We're waiting here for the rain, rain, rain. Everyone now, for the rain, rain, rain. A few more times. For the rain, rain, rain to fall. I want to thank my good friend Duncan Standish, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for coming out tonight. It's been a real good night. Have a good night. Have some drinks, spend some money.